Hello, my name is Oida and I'll be taking you through how to use SureGifts to buy gift cards for your loved ones. So let's start with going to the site. You have to go to suregifts.com.ng. You can choose to explore the categories on the left. There are a variety of categories to look through, or you can simply go through the list of merchants on our site. So I'll go straight to the ultimate gift card, which is the SureGifts generic card that allows you buy as many gifts as possible from all the merchants on our site. So I'll pick this card. It gives you a brief description of what the gift card is about, the redemption details, how your recipient can receive the card, the location, and whether you intend to share on Facebook, on Twitter, or on Google+. I'm going to pick this gift, which is valid for 12 months. That's 1 year. And so the process is simple. I'd like to give, let's say I'd like to give a 10,000 Naira gift card. So I'll pick that, or I can set my own. Then I want to design my personal message. I'll pick thank you. There are other options to choose from, but I'm going with thank you. I particularly like this design. There are custom designs on the website. I particularly like this design, so I'll go with this one. And there's also a custom message, but I can edit and say thank you for being my friend. You also have the option of putting up your own custom design, but I'm not doing that since I've already picked a SureGifts custom design. So we'll now move to how I want the gift card delivered. So there's the option of email or SMS. There's the option of printing at home or home delivery. So if you're doing email, all you have to do is just enter the person's email. Printing at home just requires you to print. This is what it's going to look like if you print at home. Home delivery, you have to enter all these details, but I'm going to go with email, which is the easiest. So I enter the person's email, Bougie. Let's say the person's name is Bougie. Person's email, then person's phone number. I log in as a guest, or I sign up if I want an account, and I can also log in if I already have an account. So I'll put in my email. I put in my phone number, then I proceed to check out. It takes me to my cart and it shows me all the details of the recipient and also me who has bought a gift card for somebody. So I can decide to pay via credit card, PayPal, or bank transfer. So I choose to pay by credit, debit card. It asks me to enter all the details for my ATM card. I can go through the bank, any of the banks here. I can use this too, and there are other forms, but most primarily the card. So that's basically how to use SureGifts to buy and send gift cards to your loved ones.